Namaste. Hi, I'm Gayatri, and as part of the 40 days of sleep hacks, I'm going to talk today about the optimal timing for sleep. So, according to Ayurveda, there's optimal timing for everything. This is called dinacharya, the daily practice. And the best times to go to sleep and to wake up are to be in tune with nature. So, everything in Ayurveda is in tune with nature. It's a little bit like, if you're rowing a boat in a stream or a river, you don't want to row against the current. It's a lot harder. And if you're rowing with the current, you can move a lot faster, a lot more easily. And so the same concept is true here. If we're going with the current or going with what's happening in nature, our lives move more smoothly, move more easily. So the best time to go to sleep is in the earlier evening. So different doshas are predominating at different times of day. And if you're not familiar with the doshas, you could just think of it as kind of the energy that's in the atmosphere at that time. So we know in midday, for example, it's really hot, kind of fiery. The sun is at the height, and so that's what the pitta time, the fire element, is predominating. And then in the afternoon, you tend to get a little sleepy, you're overworked or something, or losing concentration a little bit. That experience is because the vata dosha is predominating, and that's lightness, air, movement. And so those kind of things can happen in the mid-afternoon. Then in the evening, we have the kapha dosha. So kapha dosha is governed by water and earth, which are heavy. And that's how you would want your sleep to be, right? You would want a nice, heavy, deep sleep, not a fiery sleep or not an airy sleep with a lot of movement. And so that's the best time to go to bed, so before 10 o'clock. And then at 10, it's going to go again to the pitta dosha. So the pitta dosha predominates 10 to 2 in the afternoon, or from morning to afternoon, and then again at night, so from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. So if you are awake at that time, you might have noticed sometimes you'll get like a second wind. That's why, because the fire element is starting to predominate again. You're opposite the sun, right? So if we go to sleep during that time, our sleep will be more fiery. We'll have maybe more disturbance, more dreams during the sleep. So you want to go to bed before 10. And then again, the optimal time to wake up in the morning would be during the vata time. So vata time is going to be from 2 to 6 in the afternoon, evening, and then also 2 to 6 a.m. So it's best to wake by 6 a.m. and then you'll have that kind of a light, flexible feeling. And if you wake up after 6, you'll have a more heavy feeling because the kapha dosha is coming back. So those are the best times to sleep and wake up to get optimal sleep. So give it a try. Hope it helps you get better sleep. Namaste.